Using Codex? Do not install every plugin. Start with these 7. They are the ones that actually change the workflow. First, Browser. This is probably the plugin I use most when building websites or product prototypes. The reason is simple. Just because AI wrote the code does not mean the page actually works. The layout might be broken. A button might not click. Localhost might not even be running. Those are things you can only confirm by looking at the real page. Browser lets Codex move beyond reading code and actually inspect what is happening on screen. That makes it especially useful for front-end developers, product managers, independent builders, and anyone creating web prototypes. It helps Codex stop guessing what the page looks like. Second, GitHub. This plugin connects the context around pull requests, issues, reviews, and CI. Without it, fixing a review comment often means jumping between GitHub, your editor, and the terminal. With it, Codex can read the comment, understand the problem, edit the code, and help verify the fix. That changes GitHub from a place where information is stored into part of the actual workflow. Third, build web apps. This one is for people who have product ideas. Maybe you're thinking about a small internal tool, a dashboard, a landing page, or just a rough interface concept. Build web apps helps move that idea from, I want to make something, to this thing can actually open and run. Its real value is momentum. It helps you turn a rough idea into a clickable prototype, which is often the difference between talking about a product and actually testing one. Fourth, computer use. This is important because many real tasks do not live neatly inside code files. They live inside app interfaces. Computer use gives Codex a way to interact with those interface-only tasks. In a way, it gives the AI the missing hand it needs for work that cannot be solved by reading text alone. Fifth, Figma. If you work in product design or front-end development, this plugin is worth paying attention to. It helps connect design files, components, and implementation. That makes it useful when you want Codex to understand not only what the code says, but what the product is supposed to look and feel like. Sixth, documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. I group these together because they solve a very practical problem. A lot of work does not end with a paragraph of text. It ends with a real deliverable. A document, a slide deck, a spreadsheet. These plugins move Codex from help me write something to help me make something I can actually send to someone. That is a big difference if your work involves reports, decks, analysis, planning, or client deliverables. Seventh, hyperframes and remotion. These are more focused on content, motion, and video. If you need product demos, animated explainers, website-to-video clips, or short-form video assets, these tools can help turn a product idea into something easier to watch and understand. That matters because a good product idea still needs a clear presentation. Sometimes the best way to explain an idea is not another paragraph. It is a short visual demo.